What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we need to continue from where we left off in Friday's episode, which we were talking about the consolidation that's taking place within most of the major cryptocurrencies and how there is a very big chance we could see correction as we were nearing and approaching major resistances. You can see I drew it very clearly here in the thumbnail. This was the third point of contact retesting this major resistance here, and this could cause a dump, a correction within the markets. But surprisingly, we had a lot of movement over this weekend here. It's quite interesting. Not so much any, if any at all, on XRP. As you can see here, we're still in this downtrend. We are going to be covering XRP. We're also going to be looking at Solana, which you can see it appears like we've broken outside major resistance here. But when I show you this in a little bit, we're going to be adjusting the charts to consolidate or include this because there's really only 2 points of confirmation. We're now having the third. And what you're about to see is going to be quite shocking. And then we're also going to be looking at Ethereum, which looks, again, like it's broken outside of resistance. And it might have. But again, we're going to have to take a step out, look at the daily charts, and actually try to confirm that. We'll be looking at Bitcoin too, which, like we said before, history is repeating. You can see with something like this, we have not broken through it a third time. So more than likely, this is going to cause a pullback, a correction to the downside here. But what I'm most excited for and actually shocked about is the stock market in these major cryptocurrencies now entering all-time highs. Yes, you heard it here first. We are now entering all-time highs. Previous high was at $107. We're currently about to open the markets at $109, which is phenomenal here. The problem is we're becoming overbought, and that to me says pullback. Now, it's incredible that we've managed to break through it, and maybe we'll head up even higher and use the top support as a means of support, which would be phenomenal and excellent, or we're going to reject and do what I've already drawn here. So there's certainly several options here that we're going to draw. We'll see which one actually comes true. And that same thing is applied and said with the stock market. So lots to go over in today's video. Definitely smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, huge shout out to BitFi for offering this new user trading bonus here. This is insane. For people that deposit $100, you can get a $50 bonus all the way up to $2,000 in free bonus cryptocurrency, which you can trade at any profit earned off of any of this. You can withdraw completely free. It's a phenomenal bonus. I have not seen BitFi offer anything remotely close to this in the past. So the fact that they're offering this is insane. You have a little over 10 days left before this goes away. So definitely make sure to take advantage of this trade and this opportunity here for you guys to get free bonus cryptocurrency. A little goes a long way. $200 with a 10x leverage is $2,000. So you'd be depositing $1,000 and then get $200, and with a 10x leverage would have more than what you deposited. The best part is once you're done depositing it, you can withdraw what you had originally deposited, or you don't even have to touch what you've deposited. You can use your bonus money. You can literally switch it, and I'll show you that later on. To switch to bonus money, is there is a separate wallet that you can trade out of here, which is insane. So make sure to check this out down in the description below. We'll look at BitFi later, but as you guys can see on current coin market cap here, markets are fizzling out. 52 on the Fear and Greed Index. It is anyone's game, the bulls or the bears. You can see very clearly drawn. Not much is happening here. Have you ever seen Bitcoin look like USDT, like a stable coin? In what world have we seen Bitcoin, which is currently 107K, up 6% for the week? But you can see we look like a stable coin. We look like USDT. Actually, USDT looks less stable than the way Bitcoin's been trading the past couple of days here. But the stagnant kind of flatline trading on Bitcoin over the weekend is not surprising, but this is with a lot of these cryptos. You can see Bitcoin's doing it, Ethereum, not so much XRP, BNB. We have Tron, Doge, Cardano. Lots of these cryptos are just flatline sideways here, which is good news if you ask me, because in my mind, it means we're going to be, kind of gearing up for some big movements here. It's odd because, then you look at the past couple of days and we have had kind of a significant movement over a lot of these cryptocurrencies. But when it comes to XRP, this is one of those cryptos I really don't think we even need to adjust the charts yet because of how perfect we had originally gotten it. You can see we have the sheer possibility that there is a head and shoulders pattern forming here, which would be bearish. First shoulder, the left shoulder, the head, and then here's the right shoulder here with the neckline in green on the bottom. And you can see not only do we have that, weighing down on XRP, I've then drawn a massive, and I mean a massive, descending fractal, where we've had these kind of lower high, lower low patterns here. Currently, and then I zoomed in even more, we have an even smaller descending fractal here, which they're bullish. They are bullish. They have bullish tendencies. I'm going to delete some of this just to make things a little clearer. But you can see we look bullish. That's the crazy part here, is we are in this lower high, lower low flag, filling in the gap nicely, and we're looking for the possibilities of a break. But if the major descending fractal or the head and shoulders pattern overtake, because they are larger, this could cause a correction and we could fall. Now, the way we're reacting right now is not only do we have a downtrend of resistance, we have moving average of resistance. So truly, in my mind, it shows the possibilities of correction. Well, let's see how today goes. You can see Sunday closed pretty nice. The past Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we trended right up to test the price ceiling and the downtrend here. And if we confirm closure where we are today, exactly where we are, like in 11 hours and 10 minutes, if the markets close exactly right here, I would likely think we are going to see a downtrend, a turn to the downside on XRP, which will obviously short. Well, this is a good short opportunity if we see that. We'll take advantage of it very easily on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. You could go grab the free bonus cryptocurrency that they give away right here, and then head on over to the BidFi exchange, you use this, you'll have it here, and then you can click on USDT wallet, and you can go right over to this bonus wallet. So you can trade with this bonus wallet here. And you can see trading profits can be withdrawn. So that's what's really, really, really cool, is you don't actually need to use your USDT wallet and trade around with this crypto. You can use the bonus wallet that they have, which is separate from what you deposited, and just trade with that. It's so easy. It's free money. If you're into crypto, you'd be crazy to not take advantage of it. That's all I'm saying. The best part, you can use it on tons of different cryptocurrencies. I believe the bonus might just be Bitcoin, but they do have XRP as well to leverage trade here, which is phenomenal as well. So you can take advantage of, all the major blue chip cryptocurrencies, including XRP. And then they have a reward center on top of it. And then they have a demo trading account on top of it. So not only do you have, the free bonus crypto they're giving away here, they have a demo account which you can earn free bonus cryptocurrency up to $8,100, daily rewards that reset every single day, and then exclusive rewards that you can take advantage of here. So tons of free bonus cryptocurrency you can take advantage of. They have a demo account for you to practice. So when we call a short here, like if we confirm closure where we are today, it's too early to buy in right now, but if we confirm closure tonight, you can test out my trade and my theory, put in a short on XRP, like load up the XRP chart here, the sample XRP, and short this, get off the 4-hour, go to the daily, put in a short trade, because we are referencing that this would cause correction here. You can take advantage of it right on here, learn on the exchange, and then when you're ready, you can head to the live trading exchange. But this is a way to test my trades that I make or yours and practice without risking anything. It's phenomenal here. On top of XRP, we have Solana, which has rallied up. Very odd, very interesting. But when I extend this out, it shows why. Like you can see, we've only had 2 points of confirmation. We were trying to make a third, but we didn't have clarity just yet. Now I believe we do. Look at this. Without a doubt, this is the downtrend here. And this also screams correction, guys. I mean, so not only does XRP look like a very easy short opportunity tonight, so does Solana. Solana looks extremely bearish on this. We look like we'd have the easiest trade, buying in right here and then shorting this to the downside and seeing a huge downturn or downwards event as we spiral lower. It'd be the easiest short opportunity I think we have right now. That's all I'm going to say. I very likely think that that's what's going to happen. And we could take advantage of this very easily tonight, depending on how we close in 11 hours here. Ethereum looks okay. I want to jump to the daily and see if it's very similar with what we had originally expected. Again, too early to draw a downtrend. We've been trying to find this downtrend. It very well could be similar with what we've drawn in the past. Again, I don't know. It's not accurate just yet, which is why I'm not really looking at Ethereum so much, if that makes sense here. If anything, we're having a bit of trouble with this support right here. Like we're not being able to break through this as easily. I mean, we could extend it like this. This is certainly a tough one though. So I'm not really trading Ethereum as much as I like XRP and Solana. Those are much easier to take advantage of and see than Ethereum, for example. But if this is accurate, again, it would cause correction. All these cryptos would cause correction. So, I mean, then we look at Bitcoin here. It's another crypto that shows signs of a pullback. So I very much so believe Solana is due for a dump. XRP is due for, and it's a healthy dump, a healthy pullback, a necessary one. Bitcoin due for a dump. Vong due for a correction. Stock market due for a correction. So let's see how tonight closes. But this could be a very easy entry tonight in 11 hours for a short opportunity. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, check out BidFi if you haven't already. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.